Good morning, everyone. This is Ellie Pattinson. Welcome to Australia, the land of milk and honey. Woo!
Magandang umaga. Mayong buntag.
Yay! Mayong buntag. Pattinson couple here. Woo! Guys, we're going to
Albany.
And how many hours drive, Mom?
5 to 6 hours.
Oh, 5 to 6 hours. What? That's a long way.
You can get it done quicker, but you best not.
Yeah, I think it's alright to not to be quick, so we enjoy as well. Already been there before. We went there before, guys. We visit my mother-in-law, my husband's mom, one time, and it's colder, guys. So, guys, about the games that I promised, guys, hindi ko nakalimutan. Never forget about it. But guys, we're so busy, a bit busy. I'm busy, not president. I'm busy, vice president. I'm vice, not president. What are you thinking about? Oh my gosh! And look at that, guys! All our stuff in the bag. See, blanket, of course, sky flakes. We have rice. I cook rice. I cook fish. I cook egg and salmon fish for my husband, and of course, rice is always there. And yeah, I fried fish, and then last night, that's what we do last night. I never forget what my promise to you guys to have games, but the problem is I don't really have idea what games should I like. I'm still looking at it. Maybe I will try to look on YouTube what the good games that everyone could enjoy, my viewers could enjoy, because this is for us. I'm sharing my blessings, and I'm giving you a little bit, and then you give me a little bit too.
Yes.
Okay, yes. After we have two stuff to buy compressor, and what's that kit?
And a recovery kit.
And recovery kit. If ever something happened on there, we stuck on the beach or whatever, we have something kit that could
to get us out. Yeah.
Get us out. So, and then after that, we need water. I told my husband to buy water in Woolworths.
It's never just water. Let me just say, doesn't matter. You walk into a supermarket or any shopping area, it's never just water.
Of course, because I need something else too. And guys, I told him, I love that. This is a Chinese bun.
We get that.
I want it. Because this is my favorite. I love the bakery, Chinese bakery thing, because their bread is so yummy. You can't blame me, guys, because it's yummy.
I can't complain. I ended up with bubble tea.
And we have bubble tea again as well. This is a taro bubble tea. Yay!
And this one's mango.
Mango. What else?
Mango and lychee. Oh.
Yours is plenty then.
It's taro with lychee and mango.
Oh, yummy. Mine is simple only. I can't think. And I have this Kit Kat, and I have this. I put all the stuff that I bought there, like strawberry, banana, and twisties and whatever.
Because you can't drive anywhere without having snacks, right?
Okay, that's right. Correct. Woo! You got it, Mahal. So now you understand. We only need water, but we take okay, that's a part of it.
Alright, time to go.
Because it's a long way drive. Oh gosh, how many hours we spend by buying and doing this and that. Oh god. But at least finally, we're going. See you there. We're gonna do another video again when we arrive there to see my mother-in-law for a long time. That's our update for today, guys, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so you will be updated, you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And say thank you, Mahal. Say thank you to them.
Thank you, Mahal.
Thank you. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Please, huwag kayong magsawa.
Thanks
I
for
need
watching.
you. Thank you for watching. I need you. We need you guys. God bless us all.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.